Meaning of learner's permit.
Learner's permit.
Learner's permit.
Learner's permit.
Learner's permit. A learner's permit is a restricted license that allows someone who is learning to drive a motor vehicle to practice driving under the supervision of a licensed driver. It is typically issued to new drivers who have not yet obtained a full driver's license, and it usually comes with certain restrictions, such as a requirement for the supervising driver to be in the vehicle at all times. The purpose of a learner's permit is to give new drivers the opportunity to gain experience behind the wheel while minimizing the risk of accidents or other problems on the road.